Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now a few days earlier I have put up a poll in the community whether you all want to see a review of the new launch foundation from Sugar Cosmetics. It was my bad, the delivery got delayed because over here where I stay, the area, we are not still fully open. We have still some more restrictions right now, so that is why the parcel got delayed. And again I had informed on the community that the parcel is delayed, so stay tuned. So today here I am with the full, like I have actually a demo. I have made a demo in front of the camera, that is I have applied the foundation in front of you, right? So now let's begin with the video. Like this is the, I'll just show you first the outer covering. I have already opened. This is the outer covering, usual foundation outer covering of Sugar. This is the famous, like I think I have to say anything. This is Rage for Coverage 24 hour foundation, and the shade which I got is a 42 glaze. This is the same shade which I use in that Drop the Base Serum foundation. I use the same shade, and in stick foundation I use 45, but I mailed them, I called them up and I checked with them which shade should I go for. Then they told me you can go for 42 glaze, and to my surprise you can see it is matching me perfectly, right? And as every time Sugar has given the details and everything. On one side they have given you cruelty free product, okay, where it is manufactured. The MRP of this product you all must be aware, it is 799 rupees, and it is manufactured in December 20, and you can use till November 23. So total shelf life is 3 years. This is made in PRC, and net content you get is 25 ml. Over here they have also given their customer support number as well as their mail ID. If you have anything to ask them, definitely you can call them, or you can even mail them. If you have any shade selection problem or something, definitely you can do the thing, right? Over here they have given you the ingredients and everything. As I told you, this is 25 ml. Usually normal foundation comes in 30 ml. This is 5 ml less, 25 ml, right? When you open the tube, when you open the foundation, it is this kind of foundation, Sugar Rage for Coverage 24 hour foundation. That is what is written over here. They have given you the Sugar logo, and 42 shade they have given you over here. You can see the sticker here, they have given you 42, okay, and it is total black matte tube. It is a squeezy tube, okay, and as well as the manufacturing and expiry and everything details are given over here. Let me check because I have not checked that. Yes, manufacturing and expiry and everything is given over here. Only the thing is it is printed over here, so I am not sure, the camera will not capture. It is printed over here, so definitely if you want to throw away the packaging, you can throw away. And the shade number is also specified, the MRP, where it is manufactured, everything is specified on the tube. So if you want to throw, you can definitely throw away. So this is the basically the packaging. It came sealed with, I am not sure the camera will take up, but I will show you, with this kind of seal on the tube, this kind of seal on the tube. So once you remove, it is kind of this a squeezy tube. I'll just show you a little bit swatch of shade number 42. I have already done the demo, but I have not shown on the hand. So, and definitely if you people will ask me, Meghna, why don't you do oxidization test and all? But let me tell you, my skin is dry skin. I don't have any problem of oxidization or anything. I have never faced any problem. You all can see, this is the swatch. This is the swatch of the foundation, and it matches. It is like blending in my skin perfectly. Not only over here, also on my face also it is blending perfectly. So whatever shade they have suggested me, it was perfect, superb, awesome. I can just tell you that. You all can see. Of course, this is matte foundation, so you have to prep your skin. They never say it is matte, but when I applied in the demo itself, you all can make out. I have told 2-3 times, I have told you all that use illuminating moisturizer, so I don't want to repeat. So this is like a little bit on matte side. So if you have dry skin like me, you have to prep your skin properly. So now what we will do is we will just move towards the demo. I won't be doing any wear test or anything, but definitely, as I told you, I will pin the comment how much it wore off and what was my final thought. So definitely do check out my comment, it will be pinned. Right now we'll move towards the demo. Yes, I've already prepped my skin, that is, I've already applied my moisturizer. I have just applied two things. One is the eyebrows. I have applied I have used the Sugar Arch Arrival brown definer. I'll mention the shade in the description box because right now I don't remember the shade. And I have also applied the nail polish, is also from Sugar itself. It is in that Tic Tac Toe Nail Lacquer Classic, and I think it is in the shade number 14. Yeah, Purple Pros. This is the nail polish what I'm applying, because if I'm doing some review for Sugar, I want it to be like apply as many product possible from my end. So that is also, this is also from Sugar. Also the lip gloss which I have applied, it is also from Sugar. It is Time to Shine lip gloss in the shade 08 Berry Yada. This is the shade, I mean this is the, one second, yeah, this is the packaging, okay, and it is like Time to Shine lip gloss, and this is the outer packaging, just for your reference. Okay, it is easily available on Sugar's website and everywhere, Purple, Nykaa, everywhere. So these are the two details which I wanted to share. Now what I'll do is, this is the foundation. Now what I'll do is, I'll just apply on half of my face, that is half face, with their original primer, that is Base of Glory primer, pore minimizing primer. I have that. So what I'll do is, on my right hand side, I'll apply this primer with this foundation, and on my left hand side I have this Sugar Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 01 Gold Diggin. I have that. So on my other half, that is on my left hand side, I'll apply with this combination, right? So on my right, with the primer, pore minimizing primer and the foundation, and on my left I'll apply this moisturizer, that is Gold Diggin in the shade, and with this foundation, okay. And what I'll do is, I'll try to use two ways, that is half with this sponge and half with the brush. Now let's see how it goes. First I'll apply the primer on my right hand side. So I'll just take a little bit of primer, not much, and this, you know, this is Base of Glory primer. All the makeup details and everything will be given in the description box, or maybe it will be pinned in the comment section with the buying links, so y'all can definitely check. So you can see I'm just, okay, see, one half done, right, with the primer. Now I'll just do the other half with this Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer. I'll use this in the shade 01. I'll just take a little bit, I'll show you the quantity. I've just taken this much, and I'll try to apply on my highest points, that is see, you all can see I have already applied on my half side. You all can literally make out the difference, okay. And if you, I forgot to ask you, if you all want a comparison with the Swiss Beauty, that illuminating that primer, I have just reviewed that primer. If you want a comparison video, let me know in the comment section, because I have this also and I'm planning to make a comparison, that which one you should go for, because both of them I have in gold finish. That one is gold tint, this is Gold Diggin, so both are in gold finish. So if you want, in any case I'm planning to make, so stay tuned, so that you will be having a better idea which one you can go for. Right now I'll just take primer, the foundation, this is the foundation, I'll see. Now I'll just apply it. So this side I'm using my Damp Beauty blender. I must say this is a full coverage, because definitely it is little bit drying for the dry skin. That is what I can make out from the half part. Now let me see, because I think with the brush it is little bit difficult to blend. Let me see, because it was this is my Pune store brush. I'll just clean up my hand. This is the Pune store brush, you all can see. And definitely yes. Now I'll just try to come little bit close by. You all can see this is with the illuminating moisturizer. Definitely this side looks much better, whereas this side looks total flat. You all can see the difference. This is giving, because I have dry skin, and from the description of the foundation it is a matte foundation. They say rage for coverage 24-hour foundation, but definitely from the description, when I read the description, from that only I was damn sure that this is going to be very useful for oily skin, and I have dry skin. But still, for the review purpose and all, of course I can manage it. I can get my work done, applying some heavy duty moisturizer, applying some illuminating moisturizer, and I can work it out. But you all can see, if you ask me what is my preference, definitely left hand side, that is with the illuminating moisturizer. It can, not only this, it can be Swiss Beauty one also. I'll try with that also in some other video, not in front of you, but then I will let you know all that. And over here it looks pretty flat, and see, I think camera is capturing, I'm not sure, because in person I can make out this is a little bit glowy, and it also have covered my freckles and all. I have little bit of freckles here, so it has covered that also, pretty much that covered. So definitely I think this is going to be a full coverage foundation. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll come with full face of makeup, and I'll also let you know what products I have used, right? I'll just come. Yeah, I just wanted to attach a quick clip over here. I think I've forgotten during the video that it comes in the 15 shades, and this is right now my bare face. It is like after the shoot and all, I'm just shooting a clip over here, and I just forgot to tell you 2 to 3 points. Basically, when you see the key features, I'll attach a picture over here if possible. The picture also you can make out that is suitable. The unique oil controlling and sebum absorbing formula diminishes the appearance of the blemishes, acne scars, hyperpigmentation and redness to create flawless and non-cakey finish. From that only you can make out this is actually suitable for oily skin people. But as I told you, if you use, I don't want to repeat, even dry skin can use this. And this is not at all a sponsored video, or not even a PR. I got this product by my own money, and this is enriched with Portulaca Vita, which is a purified water soluble pursulin extract that soothes irritated skin and calms redness. Basically, it is for that. It is oil free, paraben free, fragrance free, and dermatologically tested and approved. 100% vegetarian and cruelty free. It is available in 15 shades, as I told you. And the last point which I wanted to include in this is, like I had told you that I'll mention in the comment section how it went off and everything. It just caked off little bit from here, that is from my forehead. I could see easily some dry patches from my forehead. Maybe I must have applied little bit less moisturizer or something, I'm not sure, but other on the restful face it was all okay. This was looking better and this was looking little bit okay. So yeah, that is only the forehead part, it was little bit looking cakey. Yeah, that's it I wanted to attach. Now you can watch the end part. Yes, now I'm done with my full face of makeup. Y'all can see still on the camera I'm not sure, but personally this side is giving me a sheen kind of effect, and this is like very comfortable. Of course even this is comfortable, but this looks a little bit flat, right? That is what I feel. And the makeup which I have used, I'll just tell you, to set my under eye concealer, I have not used all over this powder on my face, but I have just used this powder to set my under eyes. It is from Sugar. It is a translucent powder. Mascara, I have used this, it is Lash Sensational Mascara. Concealer, I have used Sugar concealer. It is in the shade 45 Con Panna. This concealer I have used. Lipstick and all I have told you. For the eyeliner, I have used this Lakme eyeliner because I don't have any eyeliner from Sugar, so that is why only eyeliner and mascara I don't own from Sugar. Okay, and rest all three. Contour, I have used this highlighter stick on my face. It is in the shade 01 Champion. This is the one. Okay, for blush, I have used shade number 03 Mauve Marble. This is the blush I have used, and this contour stick. Basically I do not contour my face because my face is very slim, and if I'll contour again it will look more small, so I don't want to do that. So what I did, I used this contour stick on my eyelid as an eyeshadow, just simple eyeshadow, y'all can see, just simple all over. So I've used this contour stick. So basically I have used maximum each and every product from Sugar except their eyeliner and mascara. I don't own that two things. Right now you all can see the full face of makeup. Now if you will ask me, I will definitely suggest you, if you have dry skin like me, definitely use some heavy duty, that is full on loaded with moisture. You can use that kind of moisturizer, or else you can use some illuminating moisturizer. I am not promoting that you should go and buy this moisturizer, but even you can go for some other, if you have MAC Strobe Cream, if you have Swiss Beauty illuminating, or else if you have any other illuminating moisturizer, definitely use that moisturizer underneath the makeup. It should be heavy duty, and if you are using primer or something, still use again that moisturizer little bit more, and use, if you have dry skin, use some illuminating one. That is what my main target is. Like you can use that one. Otherwise you can see this one is looking little bit flat, whereas this one is looking little bit better. I don't want to repeat, but you all can definitely see, right? And actually I wanted to do the wear test and all, but since I'm at home only, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to cook and everything. I'm not going out, because main test of foundation basically like we can do when we go out, we can run some errands and all, then only the foundation best wear time we can let you know. But still what I'll do is I'll just pin the comment, check that as well. Right now I think I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram. I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. You can definitely DM me there. I'll try to give you the reply as soon as possible. And if you have any other video suggestions or video requests, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill that as soon as possible. And I hope you will like this kind of review. Not exactly review, I have applied in front of you. I hope you will like. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe. Alright, and anything else? No, basically I have covered each and everything. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.